Okay, so starting with 55, this is actually a skill that we're going to use in today's lesson. A pretty simple problem. It's showing a triangle and it shows two angles of the triangle and you have to figure out the third angle. For a triangle, all the angles add up to 180. So you just do 180 minus 76 minus 41. You could put it into a calculator in like one step and then you get 63. So your answer here is 63 degrees for that angle. Zoom in a little bit too. Okay. Then 56, these two are consecutive interior angles. They are supplementary. So this plus this equals 180. So you do 8x minus 16 plus 3x plus 20 equals 180, and then solve from there. So combine like terms. And then continue solving. And x equals 16. Okay, for 57, it shows the exterior angles of a polygon. The exterior angles of a polygon, no matter how many sides it has, adds to 360. So to find this x, you would just do 360 minus all of these numbers. And again, you can just put it into the calculator in one step. This is something that students, they've been trying to like overcomplicate it, but literally you just do 360 minus, and then you just type in all the numbers, minus, and the next one, and the next one, and as long as you're typing them incorrectly, whatever's left over is that missing angle, which is 97. So x equals 97. Okay, and then there was a random one I assigned number 60. I assigned it because it's pretty easy and it goes over one of the concepts that we learned in the last chapter. With a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, so this side is the same length as this, and then this side is the same length as this. So therefore, x would be 13, and then y would be 7. Like that. Okay, and then 65 is important because that is what we worked on Friday. A lot of the assignments on Alex this week are on this skill as well, so it makes you continue to practice it. Also, on Friday is our Chapter 8 test. Chapter 8 is a relatively short chapter. We just have 3 lessons Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, practice test Thursday, and then Chapter 80 test on Friday. So, like I said, short chapter on similar triangles, but this will definitely be on the test. So, for this one, remember, identify corresponding sides. It looks like this side corresponds with this. This side corresponds with this. And then this side corresponds with this. And then to solve for the missing side, I'll do teal over teal. Oh, I thought there was something being in the door. Something from the other class. Okay. So teal over teal. And then I'll do maybe purple over purple. If I decided to do orange over orange, that would have been fine too. It doesn't matter. And then x times 9 is 9x. 12 times 6 is 72. And then go through the steps of solving, and x equals 8. And then, of course, make sure that number's logical. Looking at the two triangles, it should be less than the 12 because it's a bigger triangle. It also, looking at this triangle, the longest side's 10, so this side would be shorter than 10. So those little things can just make sure that you didn't make any errors. If you made an error, most likely it's in like the setup here. So if something isn't logical, just try setting it up again. Okay, so that is bell work. I'm gonna stop this. Where's my mouse?